brutal murder of BSP Tamil Nadu chief that has led to a big political showdown in the state of Tamil Nadu. BSP workers are protesting against the brutal murder of its state unit chief. They clashed with the police. The workers are demanding there should be a CBI probe in the matter. They are claiming the real culprits are still at large. They have also urged the Chief Minister of the state, M.K. Stalin, to suspend the top intelligence officials. BJP and the AIADMK are condemning the incident and have extended support to the bereaved family. They have slammed M.K. Stalin for doing nothing to keep a check on the crime rate across the state. They are also alleging that the law and order situation has deteriorated under the Stalin government. Stalin has assured there will be strict action that will be taken against the people involved in the crime. He also asked people to trust the probe agencies. BSP Supremo Mayawati has condoled the death of its party leader. She is all set to visit the city of Chennai tomorrow. She has urged MK Stalin-led government to take strict action against everyone involved in this gruesome murder.
We are reporting from outside the Rajiv Gandhi General Hospital in Chennai, where the supporters of BSP State Chief Armstrong are currently staging a road roko. All of them were inside the hospital just a short while back, and suddenly they rushed towards the road. Now they're sitting on a road roko protest demanding justice. They are refusing to move. The police, of course, have been deployed in large numbers in and around the area to ensure the situation remains under control. They say there is no safety for Dalits in Tamil Nadu. They're condemning the DMK government and the police over its inaction for the deteriorating law and order situation in the state, and also demanding justice and really sloganeering against the DMK government at this point in time, saying that this was a planned political murder and the police did not do anything to stop this murder from happening, is what they're saying. And right now, as we speak, the post-mortem of Armstrong is underway at the hospital. Meanwhile, his supporters are sitting on a road roko, staging a protest demanding justice and also condemning the DMK government for the law and order situation. With video journalist Daniel Shilpa Nair in Chennai for India Today. We are currently at the Rajiv Gandhi General Hospital, where the body of BSP Chief Armstrong has been kept for post-mortem. And behind me, you see these are protesters, these are supporters of Armstrong who've gathered here since last night, and they are sloganeering here against the DMK government, saying that there is no safety for Dalits in the state, and also saying that the police have completely failed in cracking down on these antisocial elements. There is no fear of law, is what they're sloganeering, and also saying that this was a deliberate murder that took place. And because of the protests, you can see the kind of police presence that have been here, that have been deployed here at the government hospital. This is the main general hospital in the city, and since last night there's been an outpouring of grief and sadness and anger by the supporters of Armstrong. He's a very, very popular leader, a popular Dalit activist who's helped a lot of youngsters with respect to their education and getting jobs, etc. He's very popular, especially in the northern side of Chennai. So since late last night, we've been seeing a lot of activity here at the Rajiv Gandhi General Hospital. In fact, even as we speak, the protests are still continuing. Massive sloganeering by the supporters of Armstrong demanding justice.
My colleague Shilpa is now joining us on the story. Shilpa, the Dalit community up in arms across the state of Tamil Nadu. What are their major demands?
Well, Aishwarya, even as we speak, the post-mortem of Armstrong, the BSP state chief, has been completed, is what we're being told, and arrangements are being made here at the Rajiv Gandhi General Hospital to take his body from the hospital. In all likelihood, it could be taken to the party office, or other alternative arrangements are also being looked at by the Chennai police, is what we're being told. But as far as the demands from the BSP is concerned, they demand that a CBI probe be ordered into the murder, because they believe it is a planned political murder, a deliberate murder that was hatched. There was a conspiracy, and the truth can be brought out only by the CBI, is what they say. And apart from that, they also demand the resignation or the suspension, I beg your pardon, of the ADGP intelligence, because they say this is nothing but an intelligence failure. This murder could have been prevented if there was enough if the intelligence department had acted on time, is what the BSP has been saying. And apart from that, they say the 8 accused who've been arrested so far, they say, or they allege, that these are not the real suspects. The real culprits are still at large and they need to be brought to book. So these are some of the demands, and for a long time, at least for over an hour, they staged a road roko just outside the hospital, and all of them were detained by the police because they apprehended that the situation could get out of control, and for that reason all the protesters were removed forcefully by the police. They were detained, and even inside the hospital there are still so many people who are here, who wants to catch a final glimpse of their leader. In fact, VCK chief and Lok Sabha MP Tol Tirumavaluvan was just here to pay his last respects. So was Tamil Nadu Congress President Selva Perundage. In fact, Rahul Gandhi, the Congress leader, has expressed condolences over the murder and expressed shock over the murder of Armstrong, and also saying that he's confident that the state government will, carry out the investigation in an expeditious manner and bring all the guilty to book. That is something that Rahul Gandhi, of course, said. And Chief Minister M.K. Stalin also reacted to the murder and the surrounding politics. He, of course, said that he's strictly instructed the police officials to carry out the investigation in an expeditious manner and ensure that strictest punishment is given to all the guilty as far as this case is concerned. But as far as the opposition parties are concerned, they are breathing fire. They're slamming the DMK government over this brutal murder of the state president of a national party, and saying that this goes on to show that the law and order situation in Tamil Nadu is in shambles, and the DMK government needs to do course correction because they say criminals are having a free run in Tamil Nadu. That is the accusation or allegation from the side of the opposition party. So the DMK government is under a lot of fire, but for now the police officials are trying to ensure their best to make sure that the law and order situation remains under control. Massive arrangements are being made. But even as protesters are detained, more and more of them are coming here to the Rajiv Gandhi General Hospital. In fact, BSP chief Mayawati has also announced that she would be coming to Chennai to pay her last respects to Armstrong. Now, just to give you a context of who Armstrong is, he's been the BSP state president for several years now. He was a lawyer, and he was also an Ambedkarite who's known for his political activism, the work he was doing for the cause of the Dalits. And apart from that, he's also been helping out a lot of youngsters, especially in the North Chennai area, and that is the reason why you see so many of them still here. This started right in the
Shilpa, my colleague who's giving us
the
the details. She's standing right outside the hospital where at the moment the post-mortem of K. Armstrong is being done.